students, what we are going to do is we are going to begin with monohydric alcohols. What are monohydric alcohols? Mono means one, hydric means one hydroxyl group. So the alcohol containing only one hydroxyl group किंवा one alcoholic group is called as monohydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol are classified, हे बघा, monohydric alcohols are classified into the alcohols containing COH bond where carbon is sp3 hybridized, means 4 hybrid orbitals, 1s and 3p, 4 hybrid orbitals असतात त्याला. So here we are finding that the OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. That is first classification of monohydric alcohols. Okay, sp3, here I repeat, the OH or the hydroxyl group is attached to that carbon which is sp3 hybridized, meaning the carbon with 4 hybrid orbitals. The sp3 hybridized carbon atoms can be further, or the COH carbon where carbon is sp3 hybridized is further classified into primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary, where the OH group is attached to that carbon, sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This is sp3 hybridized carbon atom attached to only one alkyl group. Remaining are hydrogen atoms. Secondary, the monohydric alcohol means only one OH group attached to that sp3 hybridized carbon atoms which are surrounded by 2 alkyl groups. This is first degree carbon atom, this is second degree carbon atom which is sp3 hybridized, no doubt. Tertiary, OH group attached to that sp3 hybridized carbon atom having 3 adjacent alkyl groups. So monohydric alcohols are the alcohols which contain only one OH group. They are further classified into the alcohols containing the OH group attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. The OH group attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom can be further sub-classified into primary, secondary, tertiary, where the OH is attached to sp3 containing only one, besides whom only one alkyl group is present, primary. If OH is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom besides whom only 2 alkyl groups are present, secondary, and tertiary. Okay, one thing, the monohydric, the sp3 hybridized, the monohydric alcohols containing sp3 hybridized carbonates OH bond can be further classified into allylic. Here the C will put here like this. Happened second classification of COH group where carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. Okay, they are further sub-classified into allylic and benzylic. Allylic alcohol and benzylic alcohol. This is one category of COH group where carbon is sp3 hybridized. This is another category of monohydric alcohol where carbon is sp3 hybridized with OH. They can be also subdivided into allylic alcohol and benzylic alcohol. Allylic alcohol, see, one category of monohydric alcohol containing COH group with carbon atom sp3 hybridized is Primary can be sub-classified into primary, secondary, tertiary. One more classification of COH group with carbon atom being same, sp3 hybridized, is allylic, benzylic. Now what is the meaning of allylic and benzylic? In allylic alcohol, the OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon, which is attached to adjacent carbon-carbon double bond. OH group is attached to sp3. sp3 hybridized carbonच atom आहे, which has adjacent carbon-carbon double bond. Example: CH2 double bond, CH single bond, CHOH. कळतंय? CH2OH. Are you okay? Yeah. This is the example. What is this? 1, 2, 3. Propylene. किंवा प्रोपिनॉल. किंवा 1, 2, 3 प्रोपीन आहे ती. OH group attached to carbon atom number 1. So how we are going to do here? PRO2En1OL. Double bond attached to carbon atom number 2. OH group attached to carbon atom number 1. So here this is another classification of COH group with carbon being sp3 hybridized. That is allylic alcohol, where the alcoholic group or hydroxyl group is attached to that carbon which has double bond, carbon-carbon double bond in its neighborhood. Benzylic is the one where OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom which has a benzene ring. In its surrounding. Which has a benzene ring. आता हे काय? हे बेंझाइल अल्कोहोल. फक्त हे CH2OH घ्यावं लागणार. आता एक्झाम्पल म्हणून CH2OH, बेंझाइल अल्कोहोल. So here carbon is sp3 hybridized, no doubt. It is attached to an aromatic ring. That is another classification of OH group with carbon being sp3 hybridized. So monohydric alcohols are the ones with one OH group. They are further classified into the OH attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which can be primary, secondary, tertiary. Primary sp3 hybridized carbon चे शेजारी एकच अल्काइल ग्रुप. Secondary OH group attached to sp3 hybridized carbon ज्याच्या नेबरहुड मध्ये दोन अल्काइल ग्रुप, तीन अल्काइल ग्रुप for tertiary etc. Same criteria we can use here. One more classification can be allylic alcohols and benzylic alcohols. Allylic alcohols are the ones where OH group is attached to that carbon which has double carbon-carbon double bond in its neighborhood. Example: what is it? Prop double bond, carbon atom number 1 ला OH group attached. Propene double bond असल्यामुळे prop 2En because double bond is at carbon atom number 2 and OH group is attached to carbon atom number 1. So it is prop 2En-1OL. Benzylic alcohols are the alcohols where the OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom attached with an aromatic ring. Example: benzyl alcohol. That's it. This is the classification of monohydric alcohol. Third category of monohydric alcohol is something called as vinylic alcohol. What are vinylic alcohol? Here the OH group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. इथे सगळं कार्बन sp3 hybridized होतं म्हणजे 4 hybrid orbitals. Here the OH group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. Means carbon with 3 orbitals, एक s आणि 2 p. Vinylic alcohol चे example काय? What is that? Here the OH group is attached to that carbon which itself is a part of a double bond. हे शेजारी डबल बॉन्ड, शेजारी कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड आहे. हा sp3 हायब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन आहे. इथं हा कार्बन sp2 हायब्रिडाइज्ड आहे, which itself is a part of double bond. This is neighborhood में double bond. This is itself a double bond. So OH group is attached to that carbon which is a part of a double bond. Carbon carbon double bond. कहता है OH group is attached to that carbon which is part of a carbon carbon double bond. Example CH2 double bond CH single bond OH. What is this? This is vinyl alcohol. What is it? Vinyl alcohol. ह्याच्यात फरक काय? In allylic alcohol, OH is attached to that carbon which has a carbon-carbon double bond in its neighborhood. This carbon to which OH group is attached is sp3 hybridized. Vinylic alcohol is the one where OH group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom, which itself is a part of double bond. म्हणजे हा जो कार्बन आहे ना, हाच sp2 hybridized आहे. OH is attached to that carbon which itself is a part of a double bond, carbon carbon double bond. That's it. Are you okay? Monohydric alcohols, CsP3OH ची दोन कॅटेगरी, CsP3OH प्रायमरी, सेकंडरी, टर्शरी, CsP3OH group, one more category, allylic, benzylic. Here OH is attached to that carbon which has a carbon carbon double bond in its besides it. OH is attached to that sp3 hybridized carbon which has an aromatic ring. Vinylic alcohols are the ones where OH group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon, which itself is a part of a double bond, means vinylic alcohol. Are you okay here? That's it. Students, after this we'll be learning something called as ethers. Very easy. We'll learn something called as ethers, students. What are ethers? Ethers are the compounds where the oxygen atom is bonded by either two alkyl groups or two aryl groups or one alkyl and one aryl group. Ethers can be classified into symmetric ethers and asymmetric ethers. What are symmetrical ethers? Symmetric ethers are the ones where oxygen is bonded to two identical groups. That is, two identical alkyl groups. Like for example, dimethyl ether, or two identical aryl groups. Two identical aryl groups. Like for example, diphenyl ether. Are you okay? Yes? What are asymmetric ethers? Asymmetric ethers are the ethers where the oxygen is bonded to two unidentical alkyl groups. CH3O, C2H5. Unidentical alkyl groups. One is ethyl, one is methyl. Alphabetical order: ethyl, methyl, ether. Or two unidentical or an alkyl and an aryl group. For example, C6H5O CH3. Methyl phenyl ether. Alkyl and aryl group, or oxygen bonded to two different alkyl groups. One alkyl and one aryl group. That is called as asymmetric ether. Here they are both identical, here unidentical. Oxygen is attached to either two different alkyl groups or an alkyl and an aryl group. Methyl phenyl ether, ethyl methyl ether, diphenyl ether, dimethyl ether. That's it. Are you okay? Are you okay, students? This is another part of nomenclature. Now what we are going to do is we are going to learn the nomenclature. Students, nomenclature is nomenclature of alcohols. Now we are going to study nomenclature of what? Alcohols. It involves first, that is common name or trivial system, which are written as first alkyl group followed by an alcohol. For example, CH3OH, methyl alcohol, C2H5, OH, phenyl alcohol, and so on. So first the name of alkyl group. If two or more alkyl groups are attached, alphabetical order, like ethyl, methyl alcohol and all that. So common name ends with the letter alcohol. First comes the alkyl group. Okay. Second is, we have second category is something called as the IUPAC name. IUPAC system. IUPAC system, if it is an alkane, the last letter E is replaced by OL. If it is an alkene, the last letter E is replaced by OL. Alkanol, alkenol, alkynol. And if two alcoholic groups are attached, dihydric alcohol असेल, the name of the alkane will remain as it is. E तसंच घालायचं. 1, 2, diol. If two alcohol groups are attached. 3 असतील, triol. 4 असतील, and so on. Are you okay here? हाँ? आता तुम्हाला मी examples घेते and one by one we will learn how to do the nomenclature of alcohols, students. कळतंय? Is it okay here? Is it fine? Look here. आता बघा हा. Compound किंवा alcohol, common name, IUPAC name. I'll show you how you are going to write here. Students, अनेक सांगते one more that before giving you the classification, actually this doesn't include much. Carbinol म्हणून एक प्रकार येतो, where OH group is a derivative of methyl. Like for example, हा तुमचा carbinol आहे, where OH is a derivative of methyl group. Actually ही systemच नाही आहे. म्हणजे first system is trivial or common name system. Second is IUPAC system, where the last letter is E is replaced by OL. Last letter E is replaced by OL. There is one more system which is not actually included in the syllabus, which is the carbinol system. Carbinol system is the one where the alcohols are derivatives of methyl group, students. Alcohols are what? They are derivatives of methyl group. म्हणजे like for example, आता OH is CH2C, ह्याला काय म्हणायचं? ह्याला म्हणायचं मिथाइल कार्बिनॉल. आता समजा इथे इथाइल ग्रुप असेल तर इथाइल कार्बिनॉल. Means here alcohol is the derivative of methyl group. कळतंय? मिथाइल हा पूर्ण तुमचा कार्बिनॉल आणि हा मिथाइल ग्रुप. That's it. See, I'll name some compounds here. We will name some alcohols. Common name, your trivial name, and IUPAC name. Slowly I will go so that you will understand better. IUPAC system. IUPAC system मध्ये last letter E is replaced by OH किंवा OL. First, start with some simple compound or alcohol. Which is that alcohol? CH3OH. आपण सेकंड घेऊया. CH3 CH2OH. थर्ड घ्या. CH3 CH2 CH CH3OH here. कळतंय? Just concentrate on the names. CH2 CH2, two alcoholic groups, students, two alcoholic groups. Fifth, CH3 CH OH CH OH. आणि इथे एक घ्या OH. इथे किती अल्कोहोलिक ग्रुप्स आहेत? 3 अल्कोहोलिक ग्रुप्स आहेत. सिंपल. हे तुम्हाला माहिती आहे. अल्काइल ग्रुप फॉलोड विथ अल्कोहोल, मिथाइल अल्कोहोल. Okay, this is alkyl group is ethyl here. Ethyl alcohol. The alcoholic group is attached to carbon atom number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sec. Sec म्हणजे ज्याला एका साइडला 2 कार्बन, थर्ड कार्बन ॲटम किंवा सेकंड कार्बन ॲटमला OH ग्रुप जोडलाय, म्हणून कॉमन नेम इज sec butyl. Secondary position, carbon is carbon atom number 2, primary carbon atom number 1. Sec butyl alcohol. हे काय? 1, 2 ethylene. Students, follow the word. 2 अल्कोहोलिक ग्रुप्स असले, 2 OH ग्रुप्स असले तर नेमिंग इज ग्लायकॉल. कॉमन कॉमन नेम इज ग्लायकॉल. इफ 3 OH group is attached, the parent chain is 1, 2, 3. It is propylene. डबल बॉन्ड है ना, propylene. Glycerol. When will the word alcohol come? 1 OH group असेल तर glycol, 2 OH groups are attached, so the last common name will be glycol. If 3 OH groups are attached, glycerol. Are you okay? IUPAC system मध्ये कसं last letter should be replaced by, last letter E should be replaced by OL. So this is methane, last letter E is replaced by OL. कळतं? Second, ethane, 1 OL, because OH group is attached to carbon atom number 1. Third, longest chain, 1, 2, 3, 4. OH group is attached to carbon atom number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the parent chain with OH attached to carbon atom number 2. So it is butane. पूर्ण लिहायचं, E घालवा, 2 OL. Parent chain कोण? 2 carbon atoms. Parent chain is ethane. पूर्ण शब्द लिहायचा, कारण 2 alcoholic groups जर attached असेल, IUPAC system, the full alkane should be written. Put a dash. First carbon atom, 1 OH group. Second carbon atom, another OH group. Put a dash again. Diol. 2 alcoholic groups. Carbon atom number 1 ला dash घालायची, carbon atom number 2 ला dash घालायची. Between numbers, comma, alphabet and a number dash. I repeat, alphabet असेल आणि number असेल तर मध्ये dash येणार. 2 numbers consecutive असतील, then a comma will come. Die because 2 alcoholic groups are attached. Be careful. The name of the full alkane should be written. You should not omit the last word E. You should not omit it, students. You will go wrong. Okay? Concentrate on that. How many carbon atoms? 3 carbon atoms. Write the full word. Propane. Dash. Because you have to put a dash between an alphabet and a number. 1, 2, 3. Triol. Why triol? Because 3 carbon atoms are attached with 3 OH groups. So triol. Are you okay? Are you okay, students? That is how you learn the common name and the IUPAC name. Okay? We will stop for today. We will continue in the next period for tomorrow. Bye.